Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a DIY custom clipboard using a cutting board. What we're gonna need is the following. A cutting board that you can find at any retail store. I bought this one at Marshall's for $10. This one fits a page perfectly. So we're gonna need a cutting board. We're going to need a clipboard. This one is 99 cents. We're going to need a marker, a drill bit, another drill bit to open up our holes. We're going to need a tape measure, wooden screws, and a drill. And obviously your hands. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out our cutting board. Guys, always keep in mind that the cutting board has to be minimum 1 foot because the page is a foot. Mine's is 14 inches and my page could freely move around. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go center of this cutting board. Mine's has 11 3/8. So we're gonna put a pin in the center, which is 5 11/16 between 5/8 and 3/4. As you guys can see, I already put a pin there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mark out the center and we're gonna set this aside. What we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the clipboard. As I already took some steps ahead and already disassembled mine, but this is easy. The clipboard has 2 pins. All you guys have to do, simply and carefully drill in between to take out the rivets. And this will come out beautifully. This is 99 cents. Nextly, what we're gonna do is we're going to mark out the pins where our new screws are gonna go in. Here's a little tip about this pin. This pin is at an angle of 90 degrees. As you guys can see, 90 degrees. We're going to just set it on top and it tells us where to mark it. As I said, the center of the cutting board is a key. As you guys can see right there, we're centered and we're gonna put 2 pins where we're gonna screw in our wooden screws. As you guys can see right there, that's where we're gonna put our new wooden screws. Okay. All right, guys, so now that we have this laid out, 1 pin, 2 pins, we're gonna set our new clipboard on top. Always remember to work safely. We don't wanna injure ourselves doing this. We're just gonna simply screw one in first. It's in place already. We're gonna get the other wooden screw. This wooden screw is less than 1 inch. Beautiful, and it fits perfectly. These are wooden screws. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the other one there. As you guys can see. Always make sure that it's flat, leveled. And we're just gonna screw it in gently, carefully. And that is how we have a DIY exotic clipboard. Let's see if it works. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and tell me what else should I do on the next DIY. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys have a safe DIY project like I did.